Hello everyone, welcome to Group 1's presentation for week 6, the research project, the Lixie clock. Looking over a lot of documentation. For us, it seems like everybody's coming up with pretty much the same resources for the open source from Connor Nishijima and GitHub. I thought we could use the Arduino at Mega 382P, the one that we used in our previous labs with the WS2812 LEDs, and try to use that like we did with our labs and do where we did the blinking LEDs. The coding for that is a bit different, using the D port. Exporting the data to the pins using binary and hex to manipulate our data, the same as our Proteus labs, but looking at it a little bit more, having to use the like the Lixie library. That seems to be maybe one of the more easier ways to go, or at least more comprehensive, so that way we can access a lot more, use the range of color, and maybe be more creative with the clock that way. I like what a lot of the groups have been saying so far about being able to have a clearing timer, or like a rainbow reset. Those really neat ideas, and that's totally taking advantage of how on the schematic for the Connor's PCB that he uses for the Lixie, that we can see the data goes throughout through the chain in that serial fashion, so you get a lot faster output. But pretty much, to recap, going over the different microcontroller abilities, changing the color, changing what LEDs are lit, going through the cycle of how we want to use the clock, 12-hour, 24-hour. It's all pretty possible. It's just a matter of coding on that end. Thank you. You guys have a good week.